Biological evolution is a truth. We cannot deny that. But still there could be scientists who could be even doing gene editing and still would not believe in biological evolution, because they believe in their scriptures, which proclaims that God has created this earth, this whole creation. So in such cases, we need scriptural evolution, scriptural reinterpretation. To say that biological evolution is not there is to go against the mounting scientific evidence. So we should reinterpret the scriptures, and when the scriptures say that there is no evolution, we should take it as the psychological evolution is not there. Scriptures are not concerned too much about the external world. They spoke about a hidden, secret, internal world, the psychological world. And we misinterpreted that to believe that they are always speaking about the external world only. That is because we are so much externalized. And when the mounting evidence proves that it is not correct, then we can do either two things. We can either get rid of those scriptures, or we can try to see that why these scriptures are not correct. Does that mean some other interpretation is possible? And in most cases, you will see that the other correct interpretation is possible. That is because there has been people who has got peace, something extraordinary in this life, and then they have given their message, which has been codified in the scriptures. So in this sense, we should re-evaluate the scriptures. The psychological evolution of mankind is not possible, because psychologically we are fine. We are good as we are. That is what spirituality says, that you don't need to be afraid of anything. You are fine the way you are. Anything that is related to psychological evolution will backfire. If you want to improve yourself mentally, then it is your ego which is playing games with you. When the ego gives up all these games, you will see you are fine the way you are. So what we need to understand is that the scriptures interpretation is evolved.